Today's encouraging word is I am happy. You are happy. Yes, we are happy together, baby. We are happy together. Yeah. And this one color eyeshadow look with only face powder and a pop of color is on YouTube. Check it out. View it, share it with somebody who just maybe want a plain one color eyeshadow look, a pop of color, a nude lipstick, and just face powder. If that's their style, let them rock that and share that video with them. But remember, our I am is I am happy. If you know me, after one color eyeshadow look, most of the time I am changing it into something different. So this is what we're going to do right now. But our I am is I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. Let's make that our everyday mantra in 2024. I am happy, and find happiness within you, not out there, inside of you. Dig it up. It's there. It's there. Take it out from under all the pile of stuff that you put on top of it to please other people and bury your happiness. Take that out and throw what you don't need and bubble up your happiness from within. It's not out there. Trust me, it's not. I have been there. I have thought my happiness was out there years ago, and then remember who I was and say, nah, this is not you. How can you fall for that? But that happens to us, you know. I'm going to take another color to put in the brow bone, and it's a yellow. So pretty. I'll get closer so we can see what I'm doing without my mirror in frame. But yeah, sometimes you get carried away. You know, you meet people. I always take too much. You see how much falling? I always take too much. It's a bad habit. So I'll just dab it instead of trying to swirl it around. You know, sometimes you meet people and, you know, you think you need to change for them. And then as time goes by, you realize, this is not me. Who are you? Whose child are you? You know, and then you realize, crap, you were just sacrificing your happiness just to make another person happy. I'm not blending because I'm trying not to muddy it up. And you know, I was like, nah, even, you know, people who know me, they're like, that's not you. What happened? You changed? Can you see the difference? There's a lot of noise outside. Can you see the difference? What I'm doing to this eye, if you look, I don't have it there. I'm putting the yellow in the brow bone. And I'm putting a lot. I'm putting a lot because my oily skin drinks some of the color. So I'm just dabbing, if you notice. I'm just dabbing it in place with a fluffy brush. Okay, the noise got a little. I was saying earlier on, but I think that noise was in there, so let me repeat it again. I am just dabbing it in, and I do use a lot of eyeshadow because I have oily skin, so the first application of my eyeshadow always gets drained up by my oily skin, so it looks like I use a lot, but it really is not a lot. Take a look. You see the difference now with the eye look from what it was to what I'm doing? I'm changing it up. I'm going to take a smudge brush, that color, the first color that I have, I'm going to take that and put in the lower lash line. I already have most of my makeup on, as you can see. I'm just changing that look to to do something else. I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to do something I need to do. I'm going to take my side of my eyeshadow right here and make it a little bit more sharp, right? So I'm taking all this out. So I'm making it sharp. I take my concealer brush and I just fix this. Because I want it sharp, I'll do the same thing to the other side. See the difference? I just fixed this to make it sharp. And you see this one? This is not sharp, this is regular, this is sharp. Now both sides are done. You see how I've lifted them up? I didn't need tape, it's a little trick I do. Instead of tape, I just use that and I make it sharp. If you don't have one of these that have the tip on it like this, you can use regular foundation or concealer with a brush, and then you just take it and you just do it like this. Remember, our I am is I am happy. I am happy. Okay, these are two mattes. I need to do a shimmer. You need a beautiful, beautiful shimmer. Okay, I'm going to use this shimmer right here, and I'm going to put it just on the lids. Just on my lid. Have you ever been given a joke where the joke was so good it make you barely laugh till your belly ache and tears coming out your eyes? That's me on a regular basis. I am happy. I laugh a lot. I stay in here and I dance and I laugh. But someday ago, a couple weeks ago, it's more than a day ago, a couple weeks ago I was watching a Christmas movie. And it started nice and mellow, you know. And I'm watching it and I'm having a ball watching it because I love Christmas movie. And then out of the blue, something crazy happened. Oh my God, I tell you, my family can tell you, I'll be in the room watching something and they can hear me laughing, bellowing, laughing so loud. But that day, I laughed and laughed and laughed and laughed and laughed. I could not even breathe. I laughed until it felt like my heart was about to stop. It was so funny. Oh my God. Just laugh. Be happy and laugh. A bronzer stick as my lip color. Morphe. This little palette is so cute. If you find it at Ulta, buy it. It is really nice. I'm going to use the red blush. I am happy. You are happy. I am happy. I laugh my butt off most of the time. I am laughing. I will remember an old joke and I will laugh. Some days the tears come running down, but I am laughing. I am happy. You are happy. Find your happy. You have happy. I don't care what you say. Oh, I'll never be happy. Nothing makes me happy. That's not true. You have happy in you. Find your happy and smile and laugh and enjoy yourself. I am happy. I laugh my butt off every time. This is the one color eyeshadow look. I turn into this. I brought it up. I add blush, lip color, put a little sparkle because a little shimmer makes everything happy in my book. And then my crazy my crazy hair. You know what I mean? Live life, have fun, be happy, and enjoy. I will see you all in the next video. I am happy. Bye.